night #1 at Knoxville, and boy, nothing like putting the pressure on. Everybody keeps asking me why I'm here. It's not a non-wing race, but that's okay, because everybody's got to start somewhere, and this is a good place for me to be starting. Racing 360s down here in Knoxville. Got the first laps I've ever run here yesterday, and man, this place is just so wicked fast. 125 mile an hour into the corners, and you don't lift. So we're on the back side. This is the front row where all the, looks like I need to be at a driver's meeting anyways. All right, we just got it fired up, and let me tell you what, they got a lot of sprint cars here. I'm still waiting to get out on the track, but we're watching some qualifying from here. The 410s are out there. Baston's quick time around the bottom. And a little bit of USAC action as well. All right, we just got done with qualifying, and we did not qualify so hot, but man, trying my best. We ended up 20th quick, and we missed the invert in the heat, so that really kicked our butt. So we're starting 7th in the first heat. They got the pro sprints out there, which I believe are a spec class. It's like a GM crate motor 502, I believe, with a carburetor maybe. But so those guys are running their heat race, and then the 360 heat races go. Hey, thank you so much for clicking on the channel and watching Tmeztv, the first night at Knoxville. And man, I'm a rookie at Knoxville. It's going to take me a little bit of time to get used to it. I felt like I hit the bottom really good in 1 and 2 on the last lap. That was my best lap, but then in 3 and 4, like, the sun was killing me for one. I couldn't really see, and then I just, like, I'd slip it in and the thing would bend hard, and you can't do that. It's got to stay down and straight. And then I jumped the cushion, and then the thing was kind of like hopping, and I just killed my lap. But hey, next week it'll be better, and I got all night to learn and try to figure out the wing car at one of the fastest tracks in the country. What am I doing wrong?
Just too free?
I think so. I mean, I can't get it in without it stepping. It's nothing like it was last night. Last night I could get it in and keep it straight, and now... Wow, we just got done with the heat race, and wow, talk about get your ass kicked. Whew. I'm not sure where I was even missing. It's such a different deal. Last night I could keep the car kind of straight and underneath me, and tonight I'm struggling with that. So I don't know if it's the car or if I'm just driving it wrong or what the deal is, but we just got smoked, and I'm not really used to that. So sorry about that, Alan and Kayleen. Appreciate you guys helping a guy out, letting me go run your wing car with no experience here at Knoxville. I'm gonna go watch. So somehow we made the feature. We start 20th, and you know, it's learning night for Tmez, getting laps in the wing car and just running straight. That's the key, is to keep the thing straight. So the B main's on the track. I need to get my cameras ready, and we'll go out for the feature. Hey, thanks so much for watching. All right, we just got done with the feature, and man, I made the show, which I didn't think I was going to, and then out of the heat anyways, you know, we didn't run very good in the heat, and I got some laps. Car was a ton better this time for the feature. Really didn't get the balls to run the top. When you're back in the back, there's no need to risk it. I ran the top a couple times in 3 and 4. Not sure if the camera stayed clean, but whew, starting fresh. I'm a rookie, and I feel like a rookie. I haven't felt like a rookie for a long time. And short track racing with the wing car, that's pretty normal. Feels like on wing-ish. This is intense.